Every day, we look at dashboards, reports, and charts. But what if I told you, the most important insights are the ones your data? This is your typical dashboard. Bar charts, pie charts, and KPIs. It shows sales, traffic, engagement, all the usual suspects. But here's the problem. It tells us what happened, not why it happened. Let's say your sales dropped in Q2. The dashboard shows the dip. But does it tell you the reason? Was it a delayed shipment, a product recall, or a key client canceling? Your data stays silent, and that silence costs you insight. Most dashboards ignore the essentials. No context, no root cause, no external factors. Without these, data is just noise. And we end up reacting instead of understanding. To turn data into decisions, layer in what's missing. Marketing spend, social sentiment, weather trends. Even a small external variable can unlock the full story behind your numbers. Data is powerful when it's complete. Don't settle for surface-level analysis. Dig deeper. Ask better questions. Because the story isn't in the chart. It's in the layers you choose to add.